This is my Messenger account and this is Nokia phone. That's the message. Let's send the message. If your grandpa still uses these Nokia phones, it has no functionality, nothing to do. But in this video, I'll teach you how to turn this phone into smartphone and we'll use Facebook Messenger on it. Okay, this video is a clickbait, so let's do it. First of all, this all our tools we'll use in this video. First thing is code editor. You can use any code editor on the earth, but we'll use Visual Studio Code because it's a powerful editor. Then we'll use Git. If you don't want to use Git, please learn it because it's important. But if you don't want to use it, you can manually download my repo from GitHub. Link in the description. From here, download zip. But if you will use Git as me, then copy the link and go to any location on your computer and cmd git clone. Get your clone from my repo Messenger to phone. This is my repo in GitHub. Then go to ngrok, which we will use to make our server online. You can use also Netlify or any host to make this, but we'll use ngrok in this video. After downloaded it, put it in our repo. Then I'll open Visual Studio Code in this file, code dot. We'll use in this video two APIs. First, Vonage API and Twilio API. So go to dashboard.nexmo.com, sign up, and twilio.com, try Twilio and sign up for 2 accounts. The registration on Twilio is pretty straightforward, but in Vonage API, some tricky, okay? So after you register on Vonage API, the email and the password, please make sure that you choose messages when you register, okay? I can't register again because it requires a new phone number, but please check you choose messages Messenger when you register, okay? Then click add to sandbox on Facebook Messenger. They'll give you a barcode to send you to your friends to get their IDs. Now I'll show you the overall idea. First of all, the person who has Nokia phone will send a message to a Twilio trial number, which you will get from Twilio account. Then the Twilio will send through webhook a request to ngrok tunnel, which we will set on our local machine. The ngrok tunnel will pass the request form encoded to our Express and Node.js application, and we will use Axios to make a request to Vonage API to send the message to Messenger. When the other person responds to our message, that will notify Vonage API to send another request through webhook to our ngrok tunnel again. The ngrok tunnel will pass the request again to our Node and Express server and then make a request to Twilio, and Twilio will send the message to our Nokia phone. Before we start to work on the project, please check that you have Node.js on your computer. To check that, you can type node-v. If something like that appears to you, that means you have installed Node.js. If you get an error, please go to Node.js and then download LTS version and set up it on your computer. After opening the folder in Visual Studio Code, go to .env file. We will fill out these environment variables. The first 3 environment variables, we can get them from Vonage API. In the dashboard of Vonage API, you will find the key and secret, Vonage ID and Vonage secret. Then go to message and dispatch and sandbox. Go to the end of the page, choose Facebook Messenger. You will find here the ID of the bot. Then go to your Twilio account. You will find here in the dashboard account SID and auth token. Copy both of them. And that's it. .env file now is ready to use. Now I'll flip to index.js file. All you have to do here is to declare your friends on friends object. I will hit enter. Here you can add your friend's name and corresponding value, which will be the ID of this friend. To get the ID of any friends of you, only send this barcode to your friends and ask them for the ID. After getting the ID from your friends, put it here. You can add tremendous number of your friends as you want. Then go to the end of index.js file and change this number to your Twilio serial number, okay? Also, you have to change this number to your number, which in our case is the Nokia phone. Believe or not, that's pretty much it. Now save the file and open the terminal or command line of Windows, but I will use that terminal, new terminal, and here I'll write npm install. npm install will install all the dependencies in package.json, Axios and bodyparser and .env express Twilio. Now all the dependencies are installed successfully. To start the server, please write npm start. Now the server is work on port 5000 as we declared here. To open the ngrok on the same port, we will open a new terminal from this plus icon. Make sure the ngrok.exe file is here, and I write /ngrok. If you use command line of Windows, you will only write ngrok http then the port 5000. Hit enter. Now ngrok provided to us http and https. We will use https. I'll copy this link. Go to your Twilio account and then all products and service. Choose phone numbers. Click on your number. At the end of the page on messaging, I'll put my ngrok link and then /message. Save webhook. Also go to your Vonage account. In the middle of the page you'll find also webhooks. Put your ngrok link here /reverse. Save webhook. Okay, let's try it. After that I'll give you a quick important note, but let's try it first. This is my Messenger account and this is Nokia phone. That's the message, the name of the recipient and the message itself, and spread them by a comma. Now I'll put the Twilio serial number. Let's send the message. Yes guys, it worked. That's insane. Okay, now we sent the message from the Nokia phone to the smartphone. Now I'll respond to the message from this phone and see if it will go to the Nokia phone. Okay, let's try it. Let's say hello. And yes, it worked. Okay, let's see it. Yes, it's hello message, but they say sent from your Twilio trial account because it's a free account. Okay, now the quick note is, if you want to change the comma, you can change it in the code, because maybe someone wants to include the comma in the message itself. Okay, that will not work, so you can change the comma from index.js file. So please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and you will find another video on my channel in Arabic language. I'll teach you the same video but in much detail. Okay, bye.